Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a upper body superset workout. So let's get started right away, kind of just warming up our upper body, kind of just rotating our shoulders, going back. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. And just rolling. Let's do some of these pulses here so we really start to warm up our upper body. So this is going to be a superset workout where we're going to move through 2 exercises, one for 20 reps, one for 10, and we're going to do that hopefully without stopping for 3 rounds. Take a little break, then move on. Okay, so we'll have 3 superset circuits like that. Let's go back now. Start pulsing it back here, back. Good. Let's go down now, down. Great, hope you guys are all doing well. Thank you so much for joining me today. And let's go up. So this is when you just want to maybe focus on your upper body only. If you have a bench, we could use it for one of the exercises. If not, I'll show you an alternate. And if you needed just a seated workout, this could also be done seated. You don't even really have to be standing for all of these. Okay, a few more. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're standing here, but we're alternating, reaching up, then reaching across. So up and across. And you're going to need at least 1 pair of weights, light to medium, probably medium if you have, heavy if you're feeling really strong. So we're alternating, we're going across, up, across, up. Great. Keep going here. Don't forget your water and the towel. Get some nice, good deep breaths in. Perfect. Okay, now let's just do these, like, see how I'm switching, kind of, not really like an arm swing, but I'm kind of doing a quick little switch. That's it. You can take it low and medium, and you can reach it up high. Keep switching with arms, back and then down to the middle. Perfect. Keep it here in the middle. 3 and 2 and 1. Good. Okay, let's now take a good, nice deep breath here. And then let's get started here. Let me just wipe off because I'm already sweating today. It's kind of hot. And we're going to start with 20 bent over rows and then 10 of these out to the side kind of chest squeezes. So don't worry, I'll show you. So let's grab your weights here. This first one, what you're going to do is you're going to have, if you're standing, if you're sitting, of course, you're going to be sitting, bending over forward, okay? If you're standing, you're going to have a little bend in your knees. Then you're going to come forward. I'm trying to have a flat back. It's not all curved. I'm trying to keep it all flat in one line. And you're going to row like this, okay? So we're going to have 20 of these. See, I take that little pause at the top. That's 10. 15. 18. 19. 20. Okay, the next one. Now, go lighter if you need to. If not, stick with the weights. They're right here by my side. See that? I'm going to come up with my arms, chest level, kind of squeeze it together, and back down. Only for 10, 2. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's our first, little round there, but let's keep going because we got to keep moving. 20 of these. That's 10. This is our second round. We got 3 rounds of this. Just do the best you can. I'm gonna go a little wider, but I'm gonna move right into it. Weights at my side. Come up, squeeze the chest muscles together, come back down. You'll feel it in your bicep too, but try and think about squeezing your chest muscles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to bent over row. Keep moving, like I said, right through these. This is the last round of this. That's 5. I'm feeling this. 5 more. Great, okay. Let's move into this one. Chest squeeze here. Down, back up. Last 10 here. Eight, 9, 10. Whew, okay. Put your weights down, have your water, towel off, whatever you need to do. Little arm swings here. Let's take a little rest before we move into our next upper body superset. Okay. We are going to do 20 bicep curls and then 10 tricep dips, which is when you would need the bench. And if you don't have the bench, you're going to do a tricep kickback. So I'm going to show you both. Okay. Take another few more seconds here. Hopefully you're catching up or you're having some water and you're ready to go. You're going to grab your weights. Remember, we've got our 20 bicep curls. So the weights are at my side. I'm going to come up, curl, and back down. 2, 3, 4. Got it? That's 10. Or just do the best you can. I'm keeping my core tight. My elbows are at my side. That's 20. Okay, next, remember you have alternates. So let me put these weights here. If you don't have a bench, you're gonna do 10 tricep kickbacks like this. 1, 2, 3, okay? If you have a bench, I want you to hold on with your sitting here, hold on with your hands. You're gonna come forward. And remember, you're gonna come down and back up. Down, 10 of these. Okay, so these are your options. Or maybe you have a sturdy chair you can use. So 10 of these. Then back into those bicep curls. So we've got 3 rounds of this. This is our second round. 6, 7, 8. We're trying to just move through these quickly, okay? Without taking a break. 2 more. Good. Now go to your tricep kickbacks or your tricep dips, okay? Let's do it. This was a great little upper body session today. Now, if you're doing the kickbacks, you might need a little more time, so go ahead, and finish your kickbacks. As soon as you're done, go right into our last round of 20 bicep curls and then the 10 tricep. We've got 3 supersets total today, so this is our second. 5, let's do this. 6, 7, don't give up now. That's 10, 11, 12. Good. Hopefully you finished 20 of those. 10 tricep kickbacks or 10 dips. This is our last round of this. Oh, great job. Okay, take your little break here. We've got one more superset. It's going to be shoulders. And then we're done. We're going to cool down. Whew. Catch up to me there if you're still doing your bicep curls or tricep dips here. So we're going to do 20 shoulder press. I have the weights here, we come up and back down. You can do that seated or standing. Then we're going to do 10 punches. So you'll have your weights and you'll punch, punch, punch for 10. So you could be doing this whole thing seated or standing. I'm going to sit here. That way, hopefully you can see when I do the shoulder press, it's not blocked, okay? Here we go. Okay, got your weights. So we're going to do 20 of these. 3, 4. This is our last set. 10. 15. 20. Okay, when you're done, you can stick with the same weights or go lighter, go heavier, whatever you can do, and go 10 punches, just 10. So you're here, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's our first one. Let's repeat now, okay? 20 of these. So just try and move through this. 3. 10. Take a break if you need to. Not too long though. Oh, I'm really feeling that. Right into our 10 punches. If you're standing, just do the same thing standing. Okay, everyone, last round. Okay, it might get difficult here. Might have to go lighter, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm suffering a little bit today, I'm not gonna lie. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm gonna go down. I don't wanna get injured. 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, let's get these 10 punches done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! You did it. Put those weights down. Let's do a little stretching. Woo! We deserve it. Okay. Hopefully you're catching up. Finishing your shoulder press and your punches. Give you just a few more seconds here. While you're waiting, if you're done, just take a nice good deep breath. And then we're going to go into a shoulder stretch. Great job, you guys. Oh, it's nice to have that down and done. Down, done, you know, whatever, over. Same thing, taking that arm across, stretching that shoulder. That was good. We hit all the little upper body areas. Tricep stretch, so you bring your arm member up, touch your back here, and then just a little help and pull there on the elbow. So we're getting our tricep. And switch, same thing. Great. Okay, let's stretch our chest because we did some of that. Grabbing your hands behind here and then opening up your chest. Feels good. Really feel that there. Next, you're going to grab your hands in front and we're going to get a forearm stretch. Oh, so you're here, turn it over, and stretch it out here. This one feels good too. And if you're not feeling that too much, you can just have your straight arm, grab your fingers and kind of pull it back. That's a nice one too. Switch if you're doing this one. I think we need a little neck stretch. So you're going to grab the one arm here and you're going to tilt your head towards your straight arm here that you're just kind of gently pulling on. And then same thing on the other side. So bend this way, straight arm will pull. Let's do just a little twisting here. And how about a few shoulder rolls back too? That feels great. Oh yeah. Let's do a little side stretch. Come up. One more good deep breath and you are done. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you Pink Survivors next time. Okay, bye. Have a good day.